Today we're gonna harvest mulberry and I gonna eat some.
Okay.
Because I just wanted to try.
Ayan o. Wow. Oh, here. Here oh.
That's so cute.
Uy, nahulog.
Oh, good thing it's black.
Yeah. Dali. You let Gab and Ate Princess try it. Ha?
Okay, I will save it.
Ayan o.
Wait, there's fire!
Oh. Ayan o.
Ang dami.
Oh.
Ang dami na.
Yeah.
That's why I get it carefully so it will not be broken.
Mm.
And here we
Oh,
have.
big one. Oh.
Mommy, imagine that in your dreams you
Lovely.
go to the farm alone and you found a very, very big mulberry that is black. Imagine.
Ayan o.
Oh, this is cute.
Na. No? Wow.
Asa man na.